how to fix Snapchat error code c14b on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat error code easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and now click apps again and now type here Snapchat and then click on it, and first just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then go to data usage, check background data here, maybe you'll find it like that, just allow it and then allow all of those, and then just click for stop and go to storage and click clear cache, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and update your Snapchat, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.